Dear listeners and viewers, welcome back to Happy Tutorial Point. This video is the continuation of Class 9, Chapter 1, Real Numbers. Let us look at the next question. This numerical represents exponents and powers. Here are some exponents and rules. So the product rule, quotient rule, power rule, so on. So let's use some rules to solve the numerical. So if you look at the question, there are two brackets. So let's solve the inside brackets first. So we're going to solve this first. So if you can see 8 power 1 by 3, let us represent 8 as 2 cube and 27 as 3 cube. So after you represent 8 as 2 cube and 27 as 3 cube, we will be using a power m whole power 1 by m rule, which is a. So in the same way, 2 power 3 whole power 1 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. In the same way, 3 power 3 whole power 1 by 3, this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So we'll be left with 2 and 3 whole cube. So let's look at the next step. So as I said, 2 plus 3 is left in the bracket, whole power 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So we are left with 5 power 1 and 5 power 3. So we will use a power m into a power n, which is a power m plus n. So 5 power 1 into 5 power 3 will be 5 power 1 plus 3, which is 5 power 4. Again we will use the same formula, a power m whole power 1 by m, which is a, as m and this m will get cancelled. In the same with this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. So we are left with 5. Let us look at the next question. This numerical is operation on real numbers. Here you can see two irrational numbers. If we add, subtract, multiply or divide two irrational numbers, the result may be irrational number or rational number. Here are some rules. So look at the rules carefully. Root AB is root A into root B. In the same way, we can look at the other formulas. So let's look at the numerical. So we are adding two irrational numbers. This is a bit tricky question. So let's solve. I'm just changing the pen color. So here 5 and 8 inside the root. So we're going to expand them. So we're going to write 5 as 3 plus 2 and 8 as 5 plus 3. So after you write 5 as 3 plus 2 and 8 as 5 plus 3, we are also going to expand 6 as 3 into 2 and 5 as 5 into 3. So why are we doing this? I'll just let you know. We are forming an equation which is very close to a plus b whole square. So if you can see here, I am writing 3 as root 3 whole square. As I just explained previously, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it doesn't affect the numerical, as you can cancel the square and this root 2. So instead of 3, I'm just writing root 3 whole square. So if we can look at the formula and compare it. So this 2 I wrote it as root 2 whole square, and then so I'm making this thing as a plus b whole square. Let's look at the next step. So which is a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is a plus b whole square. So I just wrote the similar formula. So if we can analyze it. So as I told you, anything root a whole square is a, because square and root will get cancelled. In the same way, this square and this root, this square and this root will get cancelled. The output would be root 3 plus root 2 plus root 5 minus root 3. So this root 3 and this root 3 will get cancelled because that is plus and this is minus. So the output will be root 2 plus root 5. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.